As the storm is rolling in right here at Akins and Willies in Winders, Georgia, we have a Super Duty Antimatter Blue Diamond on fuel cyclones. I love it and you're gonna love it too. So the stock number for reference is NED 49367, because I know all you love our builds and love reaching out to us to customize yours just the same way. So there you go, let's get it. The startup of the Super Duty right here at Akins. I love the big screen, y'all. You know Real Deal is a big 12-inch screen guy, big 12-inch screen guy. And the interior of the 2022 is, you know, a lot has been improved essentially because of that big 12-inch touchscreen. So this truck is a game changer, I'm telling you. A 22 F-350 Lariat Antimatter Blue that was a chrome appearance package. And there's not a lick of chrome on there, y'all. So what you know about that? Up front, you had chrome bumper. Check out the before shots of this truck. And you had chrome bumper, you had chrome grille, you had chrome emblems, chrome headlights, and we did our thing, y'all, with our Covert Edition package doing, wanted to make sure that for a great customer, repeat customer, Mr. Michael Gibson, a great guy, that we didn't do it like the Lariat truck, you know, the Lariat Sport model or the black appearance package now. So did not do this black, did it antimatter blue just to hit different. We wanted it to be different than you could get from the factory. So antimatter blue on your grille, and then did a satin black with antimatter on your emblem. That really pops that detail. You can tell a distinct difference. If the Ford script was gloss black with antimatter blue, it wouldn't show up as much. So the satin on the front makes it really pop. You can see the Ford detailed even more. So chrome on your bumper did paint matched antimatter blue, trimmer valence down below, black on the tow hook. Inside the headlight did antimatter blue on the full inlay all the way around. Just money, y'all. Money, money. Kept the amber too, just even leaving the amber is classy. Got some strobe lights in the grille form as well. He's got his LEDs down below, factory LEDs in antimatter blue, amazing. And then side badge as well was chrome on this out teardrop. Left the texture behind. This was chrome as well. Did satin black there for a great overall flow. Kept the texture there for it to flow. Did antimatter on your cap up top, door handles as well. Finally, we got amp power steps for the Super Duty 2022. So we're waiting on the modules and we have them, so we're rocking and rolling. As I mentioned, it's about to rain. This storm is a-coming. So we got the fuel cyclone to roll with it. A new wheel. It has a Lincoln Navigator. It has a streetish, off-roadish, like don't get in my way type of vibe to it. 20 by 10, -18. So I like the 10 wide, and the -18 puts you mild to wild scale, sticking out a good 3.5, 4 inches outside the fender. It's a pretty aggressive stance, slightly past the mid-level range on our Covert. And how we got the Covert to work, we did a 2.5-inch coil spring replacement level kit up front, did Fox shocks front and rear. We got this single stabilizer from Fox also. I got your drop down bracket for your track bar. Kept the Radius Arms factory. Here is that shot that I love, the side shot. And as you can tell, the antimatter blue, just, I mean, it looks black. It looks blue, it looks black. It hits differently on 37, 12.5, 20 Ridge Grappler, the proper tire for great ride quality and overall looks. To the MBRP DPF back with a 5-inch tip there, looking amazing. He wanted to keep the tail lights the way they were, and also left the FX4 badge, but we're still contemplating that, he and I. Out back, the Ford emblem, the same satin black and antimatter blue, and even on his rigid cubes out back, we did those in antimatter blue just to make it more detailed. He's got a A-series rolling lock, loving that. Out back, we typically do a bigger block in the rear, but we did the Carly progressive leaf pack leveling kit pack combo. For this one, it's sitting nice and level, and he's going to experience a better ride quality overall in the back with that versus going to a bigger block. So my man's got the hookup. Let me know from this side, can you see the antimatter blue? I think a little bit more than the other side, but probably the front is overall the best for seeing that color. It's such a unique color. It just hits different. Y'all have heard me say that time and time again. If you have not, you got to watch more of my videos, y'all, because we got a bunch of antimatter blues that are just hitting left and right. Great customers letting us do great things with their vehicle. Ceramic coat as well as paint protection film has got this truck in a money setup. There's no doubt, whether you're biased or non-biased, that the Ford Super Duty and F-150 segment truck has class-leading second row legroom. I love how much space you got in the back. It's just so comfy. Back here in the back, got heated seats in this Lariat, got a twin panel moonroof as well, and just nice black leather with contrast gray stitching. Is killer WeatherTech floor mats, front and rear. A beautiful interior. Let's show you the power. Got the tried and true since 2011 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel, 475 horsepower, 1,050 pound-feet of torque. You know, back in the day when the 6.0 and 6.4 was around and everybody was deleting them and trying to make them legit and trying to push power, they were getting power like this, so really no need to do anything on this bad boy other than maybe intake and exhaust and roll. That's all I got today, y'all. I hope this video was informative and fun, and you got to look at a beautiful truck, and hopefully it helps you with your next build right here with us at Akins, or even if you're just across the country, we still can help you. But if not, just know that we love helping and being a part of making your everyday enjoyment that much better. I'm your boy, Real Deal Neal. We got many more coming. Hit that subscribe button, because after this one, you just got to stick around. Peace out.